Guys, so what you're going to do is go to the PancakeSwap.finance website, and then you're going to go to the side menu, trade, and then exchange, and then you're going to click connect. And instead of clicking your wallet, you're going to click wallet connect. And then here you have all of your options to select the wallet that you'd like. For instance, trust is the issue, is the problem. So you're going to click it on here, and then you're going to open the trust app, and then you're going to connect, and you're going to want to keep this open because it's technically connected to the exchange right now. And then you're going to head back over to your browser and just click back, and then you can select your token and go from there. As you can see, it's connected here in the top corner to my wallet, and I hope that I helped you.